Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can remove any virus or malware on your iPhone. So the first thing can be simply clearing history on your Safari. So get to the settings application and then from here scroll all the way down, tap on apps, and then from here you can search for Safari. Here you can see Safari right here, tap on it, and now we're on the settings of Safari, from which you can scroll down. And in here, you can get the option of clear history and website data. So if you simply tap on this option here, you can get all of the informations here. Firstly, we get the time frame. So if you want to clear all of the history from last hour or today, or like all of the history, you can select it likewise. And here you can also select your profile. And if you want to close all of the tab, you can turn on this option and then you can simply tap on clear history, which will help you detect or remove any kind of viruses if you have it on your iPhone. So this can be one way. So if you still suspect that your phone might have virus, then you can get to the main settings from here. And on your main settings, tap on your account. And after doing that, tap on iCloud. So after doing that, here you can get the option of Drive. Simply tap on it. And in here, you can get the option of Manage Storage. If you simply tap on this option here, you can get the option of delete data from iCloud. So if you simply tap on it, all of your drives will be deleted from your iCloud. Sometimes downloading a suspicious drive can lead to viruses on your phone. So this will help you detect that and remove any kind of viruses or malware. So if you are still suspecting that there might be virus, then the last thing that you can do is simply back up your iPhone on your iCloud and simply clear all of the data on your phone. So for doing that, you can go back again. We are on the iCloud option. From here, we can now scroll down and you can see the iCloud backup option. If you tap on it, here you'll have to tap on this toggle button and enable this backup this iPhone. Then all of your data will be backed up on your iCloud. So after doing that, now you can go back. After going back here, tap on General. After tapping on General, here scroll all the way down. Then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. So if you tap on it, here you can see the option of Erase all content and settings. If you simply tap on it and then tap on Continue and go along with the process, all of your data will be deleted from your phone and you can back up your data from your iCloud later on, and like that you'll be able to remove any kind of viruses or malware on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.